Today I'm going to show you how to invite team members and collaborate on projects in VEED. So what we want to do is make sure that we've opened up a project. So from your home screen over here, just scroll down from this home screen and you'll see all of your projects. Make sure you're opening up a project. And what you'll be able to do is on the top right hand side, you'll see this little icon and click on that. And here you're going to enter the email address of whoever you want to invite and collaborate with. You can also change their permissions. So if you have an upgraded plan, you can change it to a reviewer permission or a brand owner permission. But the standard editor permission should be great if you want to collaborate and just have whoever is collaborating with you, whoever you're inviting, to just work on the project with you. So go ahead and select that. And then once you click on invite, the people that are attached to this email address will be invited. You can also click on this project link over here. So if you copy that project link, you'll be able to just distribute that to whoever you would like to distribute it to. This could be via WhatsApp maybe, or you want to send it privately via email, and they'll have access to this project.